Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Complete home renovation. How it is to live in a complete crazy home renovation. Woo! What's up, everybody? What's up, everybody? What's up? Thank you for coming to my channel. I know it's a crazy new channel. I am the Beast, and that is my Rocky over there. And guess what? We are going to be working on this future bathroom. That's right. We have put in a window, and we have done a lot more work than that. We've taken out some windows. We've had to re-insulate everything. We've put in all new flooring. And brothers and sisters, whoo! It was a total disaster before this. So anyhow, you can watch my beginning blog of saying good morning. You can watch me take a deuce. You can watch me show you how it's really like not to have a toilet in a fixer-upper. We don't have a toilet. We don't have a shower. We don't have a bathtub. All right? So, you can either watch this morning video of me saying good morning to you all and actually getting ready, or you can fast forward to it right now, and it will probably be in about 8 minutes fast forward, and you can just see all the befores, afters, and durings. And stay tuned to my channel, because from here on out, I got my tripod set up, and I am going to record now that I'm actually doing YouTube videos every step of the way, instead of just taking slideshows and pictures and being goofy. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to put in a toilet. I'm going to show you how I'm going to do a stand-up shower, and I'm going to tile it, and I'm going to put in a corner bathtub, and I'm going to put in a new vanity. I'm going to do basic and extreme plumbing and everything else from this whole inside to the outside of this whole fixer-upper. Complete home improvement, complete home renovation. So stay tuned. Subscribe if you like. Give me a like. Give me a share. Say I'm nuts. Woo! So, fast forward if you just want to see the befores and afters. Morning, everybody. Oh, fresh part of waking up. Whatever that means. It's 4:15 in the morning, and I haven't had my coffee yet. We gotta get there. Whoa, she's ass! Don't record while you're trying to pour coffee. Oh, she's ass! I'm glad the miss ain't home to see this. Oh man! Oh. But it is morning. And I'm glad, and I hope you stay tuned, because next time you see me, I'm going to be more awake. And this is going to be the official day one of putting the bathroom and building a real master bathroom back together. I will show you the past clips down the road on how we had to demo out this old bedroom to convert it into a bathroom. But this clip and moving forward is going to be all about building a bathroom. But you know what? I'm sideways, and I still got to get my morning started. I'll talk to y'all in a little while. Woo! Well, I'm drinking my more coffee. I'm waking up a lot more to start tackling this excellent bathroom renovation completely. And whoo, I'm so excited. But realistically, what's the Beast have to do? That's right, living in a fixer-upper, this ain't no joke. I'm getting ready to take me a deuce. But while I take me a deuce, I've been watching my YouTube like I do in the morning while I drink my morning coffee. The sun's slowly coming up. And I found this great channel called Renovation East. Check it out, Renovation East. It's a new series. He's basically doing everything I'm doing on this old house. So I'm going to take a deuce and watch it, and I will stay tuned with me, and we're going to get into that bathroom. Sorry to disgust you, I hope I didn't. But it's reality, right? It's reality. After you have your fresh morning coffee, woo! And look at that, the beast is even gonna come join me. See this? This is life living in a fixer-upper. I'm gonna tell you right now, I cannot wait till I don't have to have him smell my woo! Do you want to say hi to everybody, Rocky? Do you want to say hi? Say good morning. Alright, relax, because I don't want to... Good morning. Good morning. I love you. Do you miss Mommy? Me too. But we gotta get this bathroom done. So let's get to work. You wanna go to work? Okay, bye-bye. I so need to get this toilet and this bathroom done. And why is that, I say? I think I just killed over my dog while I was taking my morning deuce. That's right, I moved the bucket back to where it's supposed to go. But it's supposed to sit on top of that blanket. Or you could say, rug. And I also need to get a bathroom ceiling fan put in, but this is the kitchen. This is the kitchen. What's up? I decided to put all the pictures that I have together into a slide reel. I'm going to take you step by step through the pictures just to explain to you little things we have done up to this point. And when we get the bathroom completely done, I will show you all the demolition videos from the beginning to the end, all on one video. So, here we go. So what you're looking at is from the bedroom to the bathroom, future bathroom. We had to tear out all the old flooring. We had to tear out all the sheetrock, electrical, all the insulation from in the attic. It was all moldy. The walls were terrible. You can see right there the ceiling's dripping. It was unbelievable bad. So we put down all new plywood. We took out all the old insulation. We took out one of the windows. We sealed off one of the windows. We had to scrub the roof of the attic and then put new vents in. I put string lines in to hold my insulation. Now we had to do this during the winter and during the summer of this winter and this past summer. So it was a big project. So when we took out the window, I had to tear off the back part of the house siding to continue with that. It was a big deal. As you can see right there. So we had to re-roof the one side of the house. So I tore off the whole side of the roof on that other side, this side of the house, and re-plywood the roof. Put down ice and water, put down felt paper. Actually, I didn't use felt paper for roofing. I actually used the synthetic paper. I put up Tyvek or Typar. I just used what I could get at the store. I had to build new soffits because everything was rotted out. So it wasn't just trying to convert a bedroom into a bathroom. It's been a big process. So basically complete demo from the beginning all the way to now. And now from here on out, you're going to start seeing me put it back together. We're going to put a stand-up shower, a toilet. You're going to watch me step by step from doing everything. So look forward to seeing those videos. Woo! And best of all, thank you for watching. I hope it wasn't too boring. It was the best I could do with the way I have my setup right now. I'm just a little guy, a little YouTuber trying to share my projects with you all. This great home renovation. Have a great day. Thank you for watching. Please like, share it if you get a chance to, and subscribe if you'd like. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Alright, I'm going to try to narrate these photos to explain to you how this bedroom turned into a bathroom and how it's going to progress.